Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's a new piece of kit I bought, come in the mail, bought off Amazon last week. And I haven't set it up yet, so this is like a unboxing, I guess, because I got the box here and the instructions, but I haven't set it up yet. And I'm not trying to look for, like an explorer, by the way. The grass is really wet here this morning because it's 7:30 in the morning, because we're going through kind of a heat wave here. So I'm going to get out early and set this up for the first time. Now, when I went out on my tarp camp with the tunnel tent, it kind of got me thinking about a small tent again, so this is what I decided to go with. Now it comes with a little repair kit here, but the vinyl glue is not in here because something about they can't ship it. So all I did, went to like our local everything store, and it's just called a field repair kit, and this was under $10, and so you get your glue here. So I might just throw this whole little container in this little bag just in case. So yeah, anyways, we'll see what we got here. Now this is something I'm not sure if me and Willie can fit in, but I hope so. Okay, that's just for the, this is the fly. Now, by the time this was all said and done on Amazon, Canada, this was about $2.80. So, you know, maybe that's not, you know, that's a fair chunk for me anyways, but the reviews on this thing were good, and they've been good for years, so we'll see. Okay, we got our stakes here, our poles here. Okay, so we'll spread this little bugger out, see what we got here. What we're going to do is, you know, this is a really nice little bag here, guys. I don't know if it's waterproof. It does seem to have some kind of a coating on it, though. But anyways, now this is my back lawn, and we're going to try and do this. Those stakes should go in good enough for that. Now, we stretch it out. Now normally I would lay something underneath of that. I have a piece of plastic when I'm done doing this little video, and I'm going to cut it out. I brought out the, normally I would just put this, because this is my everything ground sheet. It's just an old piece of tie wire, but it's been with me for years. Anyways, okay, we've got some green poles here, or green tips, so we're just going to assemble these buggers. Okay, that's one. I think that might be the smaller of the two, so we'll see. Yeah, that little camp with the, now mind you, the only thing is with this, from what I see, is I would have to tarp over the top, but that's kind of okay anyways. Okay guys, I just assume this is the, this end here, because it's color coded, right? So you got green tips on this sleeve here. This one is black. And I swear to you guys, this is the first time I've done this. Whoops. So we'll see, maybe if this works out. I could get a little camo net, because I am a subscriber to the English Woodsman, because believe it or not, what we do together, guys, out in the woods there, the wild camping thing we do here in Canada, that is illegal in the UK. So I guess we're pretty lucky. Okay, so now we're just going to take, I think, 4 of these and just do a little loose. My buddy Ben gave me this tripod. Thank you, Ben. But because this is new equipment to me, that thing pinches, man. Okay. So now we'll do the bottom here. And like I said, because this thing is brand new, I probably should have put these in first, I guess. But we'll do it now. Not a big deal. Nice. Okay. I'll tell you, on YouTube, there's a guy, the gear review, Luke, his name is, I think. He does a really good, did I do something wrong here? I don't know. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just put this more where I would be happy with it. And like I said, this isn't going to stay up. This is just a setup video for the first time, so it's good for me too here. Okay, so that's it, I guess. I don't think I'm missing any on the sides, but yeah, Luke, the gear review guy, he does a really good review on this tent. And he, well, I guess I call it a bivi tent. Anyways, he does a 4-year review, like 4 years later, so I don't know. That's pretty good if you get 4 years of it, and he still says the thing stuff. Okay, so where? Oh, right here. Let's go like that. Now there is some little Velcros here, so I probably should do it right the first time, huh? Now I'm sure I will get a little quicker at this as I go. Because I'm thinking now, guys, we may do a little, we'll call it urban stealth camp now. Not even going to lie to you, it's a little patch of woods just up the road here. And, but the point of it is, you know what? Instead of running a bunch of cords, I'm just going to hook onto these ones because, you know, for this little video, Oh, I like this. That's nice. What do we got here? A bunch of gob and... Okay, I see. I didn't know what that was, guys. It's just a... Okay. So, we're just going to put a couple more of these in. Just to give it some structure. And by the way, this little bugger seems to have so many points on it. I would think it would take a storm pretty good. Okay, guys. I think that's it more or less. I mean, I would set those stakes in more. I mean, if I was going to spend the night in it. Just going to try to adjust the camera a little bit here, guys. And I'll give you a walk around after. But yeah, that didn't take too much time. So yeah, we could roll this one back like that. Oh, I like that. I like the toggles on this thing. One tigress one's, at least on the 2 tents that I have by them. I kind of like the tents a lot, but their toggles are just wicked. Okay, 2 pockets. There's a lot of room in there. I would run a little tarp over top just so I could sit in my chair. But like if I was going to legit do a stealth camp with the thing, I'd probably just bring my... See, now the wheels are turning. No, but really I think I would, if I do a little stealth camp up the road here, and I mean just it would be so close to the road, but there's a little patch of wood, I would maybe just bring my poncho. I have if it was a U.S. issue woodland camo, and just tie off make a little tarp here, because if I would truly stealth camp and I wouldn't bring a stove, I wouldn't bring much for light, and I would try to darken this side if I was going to do any sort of cooking at all. And by that I mean, I have those little cans. I don't know what you call those things, if they're called sterno cans or what, but anyways, they're meant to just go under heaters. Anyways, I got a little cook thing for that, and that would work pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to just take you guys for a little walk around here. I mean, first initial setup, I mean, you gotta... I would take a little bit more time because I do believe I'm off to one side more. But, I mean, this was just a little And I do want to show you this, guys. I know you can see this on a lot of videos, but see, I'm not going to frig around much because look at these friggin' flies. This little zipper thing I like. But yeah, it's I really think I wouldn't bring an air mat though if it was me and Willie. If I was going to stealth camp, I would bring my it's got two nice little mesh pockets in there, guys. I wish it would have had a little hook though right here, like just to, you know. But I suppose for what it's built for in a stealthy situation. I did buy a little glow light that I want to try here though. But anyways, yeah. I'm going to take this thing down after this video, and I'm going to prepare that thing, I think. So forgive me for this noise, guys. I'm going to prepare that thing for a little, maybe a little stealth camp or something up here. So that might be tomorrow night. And that'll be just a couple long clips because I'll do my little video of what I pack at the house. Because I'm going to really use a small backpack and try to make it just minimal because this thing is so small. But anyways, guys, my 2 cents worth. It's what I decided. It cost me about $2.80 Canadian, like I said, when it was all done on Amazon. And maybe there's some better deals out there. I don't know. It's just usually that's where I get most of my gear is Amazon. And I checked the reviews on this thing, and they were really good. And like I said, the gear review guy, Luke, that's pretty, you know, he kind of sets the standard in his reviews, in my opinion. So, and anyways, yeah, in my opinion, it's a nice little bivy tent. And I'm looking forward to doing some stealth camping with it up here. Well, right out in the woods, my thing, what I do. But me and Willie's going to try this thing out. Put a little tarp over top of it out in the woods. So yeah. And the last thing I want to say is, this morning I checked, this beginning of August, and I had 105 subscribers. Thank you guys. That's a lot of support. I mean, that, you know, maybe to some channels that's nothing, but I mean, even those channels started like you know, like we are. And thank you, and keep subscribing if you like my videos. Thumbs up. And you know what, even the guys, people that, you know, didn't even subscribe but you watched my videos, thank you. You still took time to watch or watch part of it. And like I said, I'm going to keep, you know, putting these little videos on as long as you guys seem to, you know, like what I'm putting on. And but anyway, this is a new piece of kit that we paid for. So like it's not anything, you know, sponsored or anything like that. This is just something I thought would, I don't know, kind of add more to the channel, like, you know, another little aspect to it. And I watch a lot of the wild camping in the UK, and I know it's illegal there, but I enjoy the different terrain they have. I suppose maybe they would say the same about us, because they seem to be hard pressed for woodland. But anyways, I'm getting off subject, guys. Typical me. I would like to thank you guys and for subscribing. And if you like my videos, like I said, thumbs up and leave me some comments. You know, guys, like I said, this kind of thing here we're doing together. So anyways, till next time, guys, thank you very much.